The next generation of business leaders in Alaska will face important and difficult decisions. The more information and the better prepared they are, the better off all of Alaska will be and all of our communities across Alaska. First National Bank Alaska has been proud to support the University of Alaska and many of its campuses across the state for years. We were honored and proud in 2023 to be able to provide the financial backing to make the First National Bank Alaska Finance Lab. This Finance Lab will give our University of Alaska students a real-time, dynamic opportunity to get some hands-on learning in the finance environment and really better prepare them for the future as they enter and start their careers in Alaska in business and finance. We were fortunate and happy to hire many graduates from the University of Alaska that have been able to come into our bank and immediately start adding value. They've been trained, they come in with a good educational foundation, and have been able to jump right in and help us advance our priorities. Businesses and organizations across the state have ongoing challenges filling open roles within Alaska. The synergies that come from this type of collaboration between the educational system and the private sector will provide additional opportunities to our students that will only benefit our businesses and our economy in the future.